Hey guys, we will tie the hairs on the sides by making the plaits, then we will fix it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ribbon on the hairs and make a ponytail. Now we will fix the ribbon by making the plaits, fold it upwards and make a bun and then fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Further, we will make a beautiful hairstyle using these colorful threads. For that, we will fix the threads on the hair as shown in the video. Now we will start fixing it by making the plaits out of it. We can use different colors of threads to make the plaits. After that, we will tie all the hairs at the back and it's ready. Next, we will tie a ponytail and start making the plaits out of it. So here we are making a different type of plaits. So watch the video very carefully and follow each steps. This hairstyle is best suited for medium to long hairs. So after we are done with it, we will tie the hairs up using a rubber band. Then fold the hairs upward to make a bun and then fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.